Happy Monday, happy Monday. How you are doing, guys? How are you? Oh la la, oh la la, oh la la. Oh la la, oh la la. Paul, good morning, Paul. You're the first one. Seems like you've got your notifications on. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Yep, that's it. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Sea Flow, good morning, good morning. Good morning. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? Tell me. Good morning, Ahmed. Good morning, Khalid. Good morning. We are fine. That's great. Great to hear that. How are you? I'm good, Sunaina. Thank you. Oh la la. Oh la la. Oh la la. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Good, Sarah. Are you in? No, no, no. I'm not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Hi, good morning. I woke up so early. The time I okay, wait, let me share links here. 1 second for people to know. You guys are quick, 600 people. You must have your notifications on. You must have your notifications on. You're so quick. From 50. That's a good buy. That's a very good buy. Sunaina. Hungry for a trade. Daisy is also here. How's your holiday, Daisy? How's your holiday in Bangkok? Did you go anywhere? Hi, Sarah. Hi, HS. Oh, that's nice, Rose. Okay, let me share a link with the group so everyone can join us. And then we're gonna start. We're gonna start. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Ta-na-na-na. Wait a minute. Wait a minute here. Make sure seatbelt is on. What is Daisy saying? Good morning. Flying tomorrow to Vietnam. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ho Chi Minh. Saigon. That's so cool. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, morning. Establish London 4 minutes, yes. London opening now. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. What's the minimum stop loss? It really depends on your risk tolerance, on what you're willing to lose. But I would say, I don't know, risking more than 50, 60 pips per trade is too much. I mean, for me personally, like maybe 60, 70 pips would be okay, I guess. More than that could be painful. How was your weekend? My weekend was great. Was good. Lazy and relaxing weekend. Good day, trader. Good day, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. On Friday, I think probably a lot of you were off enjoying the weekend, but we managed to catch an amazing trade. An amazing sell trade. Probably, I don't know how many of you actually caught that. We managed to make a really good one. We hit TP4 on the live stream, but then obviously there was a smooth opening. Smooth opening. So we even hit TP4 and TP5 and TP6 as well. I think London considers so much this week. Yes, there is a lot of news this week. I get TP3. Nice. Um yes, Friday is would be a day off in the US. So will be a short week, but pretty volatile, by the way, with a lot of news. Good morning, Ulala. Good morning. How many red folders? A lot of them, probably. Mm-hmm. What is today? Monday. Today there is no really anything red. There is one red tomorrow. There are a few red things this week, yeah. But Friday is a bank holiday. Good morning, Adesh. Good morning. I see also Mr. Omar here. Oh la la, that was a sweet sell. That was a sweet sell so far. So far. Good morning. Kevin Marsh. Who is Kevin Marsh? Kevin Marsh. Good morning, Omar. Good morning. Morning coffee. Coming back to get us? It's not coming back to get us. It came here. Came here, babies. Rise and shine. We just missed that. I put it in the VIP. I put it in the VIP. Simon, thank you. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. How are you, Omar? I'm already in full margin, really, from the top. Nice one. Nice one. I'm doing great as well. Thank you. I think we need to set up our bias for short term. Short term, short term. It's coming back for us, said Daisy. Who had a good weekend? Hope everyone had a good weekend. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Oh la la. Oh la la. I don't think we're gonna come to our buy zone down here. Maybe we should think for some solution, something in the middle. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Ta-da-na-na-na-na-na. No. Sir, how many accounts do you have? Only one. Only one. London opened, right? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Maria. Good morning. Ugh. Why whenever I sit in front of screens, I'm sleepy. Oh, London has not. It has opened, yes, just now. Just now. Bonjour. Bonjour. I hope. Sorry, you're kind. I like you. I hope you're doing well. Bonjour. Yes, I'm doing great, guys. Thank you. Doing well. Oh la la. Still sleepy, even though Sarah steak or sushi over the weekend. Really, I had some fruits. I had some fruits over the weekend. Neither sushi nor steak. Just some strawberries, cherries, oranges. You're currently in Ho Chi Minh. Ho Chi Minh. Go down, go down. Well, it's going down. The problem is without us. That's the big problem here. We had a good chance to enter here at 62. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Can we re-enter if come back to our zone? Depends how it comes, like in what way. Are you in? No, I missed that one. Can we enter if we come? TP and stop loss. TP you should have like 56. 55, 56 as a first one. TP1. Maria, how are you? How are you, Maria? When to enter? Enter should have been like 62 with stop loss 65. That would have been amazing. I don't know why we didn't get it. I don't know why we didn't get it. Although, I'm thinking that it might not be a long flight. I think there is a lot of demand now. Buyers are pushing probably at this level, at the 50 level. Good morning. I caught 63. That's even better. That's even better. I was thinking for 63, 62 actually. It was a good setup here. You thinking you need to analyze. I only think. You know what I found in my DMs, guys? Oh la la. Really? Morning. I got entered 62. Good, Sunaina. What I was saying, guys, you know, sorry, everything's analyzed and happens. Why didn't we enter? Good question. Um, because was London opening. Let it settle down a little bit. Let it settle down and take its direction. Let it take its direction here. What I wanted to say, yes, you know what I found on in my DMs? The doctor, Faris, or what was his name, has sent me a message. See, I told you you know nothing about trading. I wanted to teach you. I gave you a chance. Now you lost your chance. Shit. He said to me, I gave you a chance because I took him off the window. He sent me this grumpy message. I gave you a chance. You lost your chance. You lost your chance. Good morning. Oh la la. Oh la la. It's really struggling here now. I think London will be a lot of consolidation, if you're asking me. Yes, I should offer him to. There is a lot of news this week, so I think London sessions will be a lot of consolidation. A lot of consolidation. Oh la la. I think this trade. Hello, Mr. Amir. Dr. Private, hi. Sarah, give us the blessing and we fall. Uh, I hope you guys have stop loss at break even here. As I said, ideally I want the market to take its direction really. Accident happened. Yes, I remember Sarah AI. I accidentally opened for 0.58 for a buy or a sell. It's too early for a break even. You want to get some profits first? I think you will. Whoever entered, that was a good entry point. That was a good entry point here. Good bank in the house. Hi, Suleiman. You can join. Click on my link. Click Kuna. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. You're this time on YouTube. Great. Someone wants to learn. Looks like it. You can reach out to me. Saratoshi Trades. Saratoshi Trades. Who is writing this cell here? Who is writing it? Good morning, Suleiman. How are you? Who is writing this? Me. Me. Wow. Good morning, Adam. Me. 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 Small lot. Nice. Me at 63. Beautiful. 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 The risk reward? What do you mean? Like, this was probably the best trade ever. If you enter at 62, your stop loss could be like 65. You're risking 30 pips, and you would be already now at 100 pips nearly. Oh la la. Oh la la. Good morning, YKH. Yes, with my own account, so you can easily recognize me. Yeah, of course. Okay. That was a juicy drop here. That was a good one. That was a good one. Your seatbelts on, please. Seatbelts on. Fasten your seatbelts. I think we're going lower here. We're going lower. But as I said, first tip should have been at 55. If you remember when somebody asked me, there is area of demand over here. So that means buyers will step in here. For them, that's a dip and then continuation of the uptrend. Can you give me a job, Skyfall? I don't have a job myself. You want me to give you a job? Good morning. Good morning. Message keeps getting restricted. It shouldn't really. It shouldn't. Nice liquidity grab here. So make sure you guys took some profits. As I said, this is not going to most likely be a long ride. Well, let's watch. Let's watch. Let's watch. We can watch. Yeah, marina traffic is so bad. The marina traffic is so bad, so bad. All the best to everyone on that flight. It was a sweet one. I was thinking to also grab it actually. Re-entry, Sarah. See, it came down very quickly. I stayed there for 3 months. Wait. Oi. Yeah, Marine also gives me anxiety. Also gives me anxiety. Anxiety is my friend. What is happening with this RSI indicator that I can barely see? 52. Nice rejection here. Nice rejection. Oh la la. Here, both sides are being hammered. Buyers and both sellers. Both sides. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Ping pong. Who grabbed the who made another entry here? Let's see. I like in Friday. Thank you, Talal. Anyone made a re-entry? I'm in. I am in. I am in. Nice. I just count the money everyone makes. I was scared for my life. You're scared for your life? Were you stopped out? Unstoppable? You're not unstoppable, you're uncontainable. The pressure increase and decrease. Oh, you're still in. If you got in if you got in at 63, I think you should do break even. I think you should do break even. Sorry, time frame, that's on 5 minutes. That's on 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Unfortunately, the dollar is looking ready to go down. It's looking ready to, bum, crash. Looking ready to crash. So that would be interesting here. It's an interesting fight between buyers and sellers at this level. It's consolidating, really. Trump tweets? Really? He tweeted? Let's see. Morning, Zali. No, he's sleeping. Last post was 4 hours ago. He's sleeping. Oh la la. Juicy. Juicy, juicy. Morning, morning, morning. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. Sir, I need $1 for coffee. Morning, Mark. That rate scares me. I'm jumping out. Why are you jumping out now? You were in from here and you didn't take profits? At least lock in some profits. Hello, Sarah. How was your weekend? It was good, thank you. I feel like it was short. Short. Short but sweet. I locked 50%. That's great. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Hi, Martin. Good morning. How are you, Susu? I'm good, thank you. How are you, Amir? Morning, Sarah. Morning, Maria. Morning. Добро утро. Um, yeah, as I said, this flight probably is not gonna be too long. Like 100 pips. 100 pips, right? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. But it's a strong level actually. It's following this trend line here. Following this uh Following this trend line, we have a small fib here. We have moving average. Like I see the confluence here for a sell, really. But at the same time, I think buyers are dominating as a sentiment, as a short-term sentiment. Good morning. How are you, Maria? Maria from Macedonia. Let's get it out. Sleepy, same. Very sleepy. I don't know why. I woke up so early, by the way, because there is construction nearby. It's noisy, and I was right to jump out. Yes, I did say 55 should be your first tippy and secure profits that it's not going to be a long flight. That's why I didn't really. What I was going to say, but still, maybe we're gonna get another chance here. Yes, I'm still sleepy, even though you know what? I I woke up early. I went to the gym. I went to the gym. There's construction right outside. Same. Too much screaming early morning. I could hear them. Then my neighbors, they have three dogs, I think. And these three dogs don't seem to get along. So in the morning, they're so noisy. So noisy. They don't stop barking. I got so annoyed. Hey, I'm new here. Hi, FX Entrix. Best best place to trade from your bed. Yes, just with your phone. Just wondering if dogs can be taught how to trade. Hmm. Let's make a. I don't think they know how to trade. They can be. Hi, Mal. Good morning. Wow, what a turnaround. What a turnaround. I think London, we might just spend it, in consolidation like this. Let's get it out, let's get it out. Oh la la. Good morning, Walid. Good morning, Muhammad. Now it's going to push higher. Omar, thank you. We're going to push higher, but maybe to 66, 67. Thanks, Omar. What are you doing? Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, Omar. Oh la la, it's breaking. It's breaking. Yes, as I said, buyers are in the short term, buyers are stronger. Buyers are stronger. 64 was a strong ceiling. Yes, but let's see. Uh let's see how we close. Yeah, 64 was a strong one. And even here, 67 would be a strong one. Omar have over archived in 15 minutes. Yes. And we just broke above the moving average. Do you have a cup of coffee? Yes, I do have a cup of coffee. I do have a cup of coffee. There was like two small flights here, even three, each 100 pips. That's sweet. That is sweet, but we're most likely going higher here. Marina, today our flight. Yes, to avoid the traffic. To avoid the traffic. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It might give a good reaction over here. Let's watch out. Let's watch out. Why don't we also try a buy? Let's see what we could do for a buy. This buy zone we had down here, I don't think it's coming back right now. Good morning, Sarah. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see. Mhm. Obviously, we're not going to chase the candles. Candles need to come to us, right? So for 0.55. I'm still favoring cells, by the way, but from higher level. We're not moving that much here. As you can see, not much of a movement. Oh la la. Silver is bomb. Which level? Oh mama. Welcome, welcome to the new viewers. We got a nice rejection here. Mika! Good morning, Mika. Why you're awake so early? Go sleep, Mika. Hey, Sarah. Hey, Danny. Good morning, Gondao. Good morning, VTC. Hi, Melkan. Good morning. She still didn't give me one loan she promised on Friday. Give me 10k. 10k. What are you gonna do with 10k? Good morning. Dobro. What? Dobro jutro. Good morning. Hey, Sarah. Hey, Will. Morning, Sarah. Morning, user. Mika. Thank you. OFF, hi. Good morning to you. You looking for positions, bro? Yes, bro. You have a position to give us? Hi, chef. Morning. Good morning. Any chance to get her 055? Yes, we have a good chance. He said bro, so I'm just replying. I would never use bro myself. To be honest, this sounds crazy. Have a profitable day, everyone. Thank you, 1% investing. I left tip on that. For your selling? Good morning. Honestly, we are not moving that much. If you see, it's a lot of consolidation here. I don't know what Omar, Maria, Suleiman are looking for. Everyone else, Mika, what are you doing? 4072 is a strong zone, yes. Let's get it out, let's get it out. Ta-da-da-da. We are coming. Take your profits. Morning, Gabby. Oh la la. Look at this comment. It's so funny. See what Ahmed wrote. Good day, Sarah. How are you? Listen, you're good and beautiful, but I'm worried about your eyes. Look at the chart, max 2 hours a day. Okay. Okay, my doctor. Here I have psychologists, I have managers, I have doctors, advisors. Okay, Ahmed. Sure. Sure, sure, sure. Bodyguards too. Probably. Just advice. What kind of advice do you need from me? Ah, you're giving me advice. Yes, I know. You're right. You're very right about this. You are very right. Have you entered today? Not yet. Not yet. I don't like to chase. I mean, really, the goodbye was down here, to be honest, where we had the zone, like 3840. This was the goodbye over here. And a good sell. This one, I didn't enter it because I knew it would be probably very short. I didn't take it. We want a little bit more, high quality setup. And this could be either in the zones of between 80 and 90, most likely. Gonna get that. We're gonna get that. Totally. It's rejected, right? What is rejected? What is rejected? Can I get out? What are you in to get out? Good day, Tito. Baby candles. Baby candles. Baby candles. Hold till 4072. Is anyone on any trade right now? Anyone doing anything? Any flights? Yes, I'm in buy. No, in buy. Buy, of course. Buy since 46. I'm watching. I tried 61. I'm short in Bitcoin. 54. Somebody grabbed 54. Nice. I'm in. Lovely. Bullish daily bias? Not really. Not really. I mean, I'm more leaning towards bearish. Hi, Sarah. How are you after the weekend? I'm doing well, thanks. How are you? Doesn't it need to fill a gap? Doesn't it need to fill a gap? Which gap? Let's see. Where is the gap? Where is the gap that you're looking at? Hi, Jimmy. Good morning. A very small gap, not important one. Yes, I don't know. Gap at opening? There was no gap really this morning. We gap. It was pretty much like smooth, I would say, opening. Our Asia opens. Okay. I think it was very smooth, to be honest. It's a tiny gap, really. I wouldn't worry about it. I mean, I personally don't even see it on the chart. Where is it? It's very small. A lot of consolidation. Don't tell me that we're gonna spend the whole London session just here in this box. Gaps are there, but very small. Okay. I'm still looking for a trade. Me too. But I see something good here. Something good. Let's go back to our original small baby trade. Where is it? Our original small baby trade. Come back. Come back. Okay. That was 62, right? And then we're gonna add the I don't think the market is really moving that much. Now this trend line here has turned into support. Hi Sarah, hi Judah, how are you? Good morning. So I would rather not what we could do. I mean it could be a buy opportunity really down here, maybe around 57. Other than that, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. We don't chase, we let it come. Oh la la, oh la la, la 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 la. How much in your balance? $2. $2 only. I'm in buy. Silver will fall. Yeah, silver is really falling. Like silver is not showing the same strength as gold really. It's just falling, 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 falling. 40.90. Yes, I also expect us to go. Oh mama, have a profitable trading day. I'm here in YouTube. I can see a bigger chat. Great. And you can see a bigger chart, right? Mhm. 12 minutes news? What kind of news? Mm, not really. Unless Trump decides to make a post, we're we're safe. Show us some tips. What kind of tips you want me to show you? In a sell zone. Yeah, I'm still holding my this Thursday NFPS. I'm still holding my thesis for a sell from 62, 64, somewhere around there. But these are very short flights. Tips that help us. Okay. Okay, I would say, is it crypto? No, this is gold. I would say never be over leveraged, which means don't trade with money that you really need, and you need them for important things. Don't be greedy. Don't overtrade. Be disciplined. Short or long? Right now we're in the middle. Nothing really. It's Evander. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Oh la la. Good morning, babies. Good morning. ¿Cómo estás? Hi, Alexis. How are you? Are you winning this morning? Good morning. Good morning, Jen. Are you winning big? Are you tired of winning? Are you tired of winning? We need money, not music. Oh la la, oh la la. We don't chase, we let it come. Broken. Very broken, yes. Very broken. I hope it will be a good day. Why don't you get a proper streaming setup? I'm waiting for you to set me up. I'm waiting for you to set me up. Walila, good morning. Good morning. It will face a rejection here, though. I don't think it's going to break and close above it, but let's see. Already rejecting. If you want to see the full screen, don't fix what's not broken. What? If you want to see the full screen, you can from the link in the group you could join us on YouTube. From the link. Oh la la. Showing some strength here. What's not broken? I need a coffee. I would go short right now. Yes, go for it. Go for it. Oh la la. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. Where is your YouTube? If you join if you join us from the link in the bio, you would see it. You would see it. Link is in the bio. See, that was very beautiful here. Oh la la. I mean, at 67, you're trying your luck again. Where is the down down song? It's going up. How can we play down down? We need here Mika's song. Up, up, up we go. Oh la la, apricots in the sky. I saw the rejection coming real soon. Oh, Mika saw the rejection and she jumped on it. Right? Buyers are stronger, really. Buyers are pushing this morning. And I'm sure they will probably push it higher. I've been in from 4073. And you still didn't get out, Mika? You still didn't get out? If you join from the link in the bio, you would find it. Mika, how come you didn't get out yet? Fell asleep. You fell asleep. Up, up, up we go. Oh la la. Nice rejection here. I was in buy from 41. That was a good buy, 41. Oh la la. I can see. Kun has said I can see a bigger chart. I read chat. I read it chat. Now I see you said chart, actually. We're going down. Yes, but if you join Tele, you would find out link to YouTube as well. Good morning. What's your take? Take on what? I'm breaking even from here. That's good. Good decision. That was a nice rejection here, actually. Very nice. Hi, Sarah. Hi. That's interesting consolidation here. Let's see if we're just gonna go in this channel or we're gonna break it. Silver is going up. Tricky, 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 tricky. I think we just got a very good, actually, 15-minute close here. I think we got a good close here. Is the buy zone still valid? Yeah, if we get the proper, setup. To be honest, I'm open on both sides to buys and sells. As you can see, the market is pretty much consolidating and just moving in a side range. I think the 15-minute closer is beautiful here. 1 hour flipped fast. Yeah, things flipped a little bit fast here. A lot of traps. Sorry, TGM. Okay. Yeah, of course, seeing more is better. Things would make more sense. Mm, a lot of traps here. A lot of not much clarity, to be honest. Just consolidation. It's respecting this channel. If anyone wants to trade the channel, trade it. Why market is slow motion? Monday. Monday also news over the weekend with the war, and then this week we have some important data as well. So I think that's the calm before the storm. The market is taking its time before the storm later this week. Today London is closed, really? How come? Is it a bank holiday in the UK? Oh no, don't tell me it's a bank holiday. Mika would know. No, I don't think it's a bank holiday. No. Yes. Why somebody is saying take a chance? No, Daisy. No chance is taken here. No chance is taken. Yes, I know it's for Italy. Yeah, Italian bank holiday. There is no bank holiday. Okay, Sunny. Friday, yes, Friday. I know Friday. Friday is 4th of July. So US market will be closed. It will be a short week. Short week. Okay, silver now is trying to is the direction week. Short week with a lot of news, yeah. Oh la la. Good morning, Khalid. Really nothing that I can see here. Really nothing. As I said, anyone wants to trade this channel, trade it. But other than that, nothing is moving. Neo anime. Baby, understand me now. For buy. Like, we have the two moving averages on top and bottom. It would probably just, now for the next 2-3 hours, we're probably just gonna see this ping pong here. Unless it breaks one direction. Otherwise, we're just gonna see tank, 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 tank. Think, 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 think. Also, this channel. It's been following it since early morning. Think, 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 think. How long are you waiting for profit at the beginning? What does that mean? I am not waiting for profit. If profit comes, I take it. All all we care about is no losses. Eduardo, hi. Good morning. Oh la la. Silver again getting rejected here. Good morning. See, I think a lot of people are really trading this channel because see, every single candle has a very long wick. On both sides, we see pressure, selling and then buying. Think, yes. Ping pong. Exactly. Mhm. I'm done for the day 192. Yeah, this zone is very good for quick scalps. Dump pump, dump pump. I'm going for a swim. What kind of swim, Maria? You gonna swim in a swimming pool or in the trades? What kind of swim? Pool. Really? Oh my god. Should I also go in the swimming pool, guys? And leave the charts? Bitcoin, no, that's gold. Daria. Good morning. Which which uh which indicator is the best for you in order to give a good signal? Really, no indicator is the best. Pretty much all indicators work in the same way. It's more about your risk management, more about your consistency, your lot sizing. Um, all indicators give you the same, what is it called? The same crap. Perfect indicators, perfect signals. Nothing will work all the time. Just pick a strategy. FIB is good, supply and demand is good, trend lines are good. Pretty much every strategy, like smart money, the ICT as well. Choose one, just stick to it, and you'll find your way. There is no best indicator. Pretty much everything is the same. Being in bed watching charts, rich people getting done. Dimples, I don't have dimples. We will not let you go anywhere. Why not? I send you the address and you all come and we all go into the swimming pool together. How about that? Is it a good deal? You all come and we jump together and we trade together. Hello, mom. Hello. I have perfect AI. 65 is an interesting zone. Very interesting. Very interesting. We can't break it here. We are just between 65 and 61. I'll bring my bikini. Your fib is 15 minutes. It's on the 5. It's on both actually. It gives you the same no airports. She's on speaker. I'll bring my bikini. Mika, you don't have swimming pools in the UK. We have swimming pools in the UAE. We should relocate you. I know she will be so loud. Yes, I get. Just do scalping. Uh, oh la la. The lake is very cold. Mika, go jump in the lake. Hanif, yes. We have better swimming pools in Uganda. Wow. Tiririri, tiririri. B. What is your name, B? Is it better? Nasser. Nasser or better or what? Blah blah blah. Indoor temperature. Sarah, loan me one. I want to buy coffee. I haven't made any profits today yet. When we jump in the swimming pool. Now. تيري ميري AP. صباح الورد. صباح الورد. There is saunas. Yes, Mika. JD Gym. JD Gym got saunas. JD. The gym doesn't have anything, but JD is a good one. See, I'm giving you tips. I want to swim now. Summer was here last week. Go and swim in the lake. Go and swim in the lake, Mika. Oh, dollar is up to 4071. Most likely. Most likely now we're gonna see that once we reach here, this will boom and we're gonna see. Let's see, let's draw something here. Let's draw this and see. Sorry, explain. I want to swim in money. Who doesn't? Who doesn't want to swim in money? 90% rule strategy. I don't know what is the 90% rule strategy. I don't know about it. Tirimiri, tiririri. How your weekend? My weekend was great. I went for a lounge. I went in the lounge. I had some fruits and water and coffee and something else. I think Omar is sleeping, right? Which lounge? Mm, it's not a big one, like not famous, just something small, localized. Localized. This looks horrible to trade, yes. Should we enter 4070? 4070. I mean for a sell or what? 4070. Really, it's not very meaningful. Like by the time I enter, it's probably going to be here when you guys enter, and then it's not going to work out. From 73. Yeah, 73 would be good. We're gonna try that over there, but for now, we need to break. Hookabuzz, I'll teach him her my strategy. RJ. RJ's in the house. What's up? What's up, RJ? You need to break 60. It's not breaking anything really, but we're coming now to the bottom of this channel, so let's see if we get a boom. Sorry, you're taking me to Hookabuzz. I'll take you, why not? I'll take you. What a boring day. Taking profits at 40, 46. Good, Mika. I hope we go there. Oh, something is happening now. Oh la la. Oh la la. Hola. Oh la la. You told me what? You told me what? It's just grabbing liquidity because a lot of people are trading this channel. What happens when you have trend lines? I'll tell you something here. When you have trend lines, usually price always comes on the side of these channels to grab liquidity because a lot of stop losses. So if I was a trader and I wanted to trade this channel, what I would do on this candle here, I would put a long position to the top, let's say, of the channel, and I would put my stop loss down here. So usually price always, comes down here to hunt stop losses and get liquidity, and then boom, goes back up. But now the 1 hour is starting to look good, actually. It might go down. I'm just saying in general, around trend lines. Around the trend lines, but we might just break it and go. There is no really uh, guarantee here. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Hello, Adam. How many entries you make? Sometimes one, sometimes two, sometimes three, sometimes zero. It really depends. I don't have a fixed, fixed. Very slow here. What's up, AP? Is AP still here? Me? Ah, AP's here. What's up, AP? You trading? You trading or still sleeping? AM, hello. Me. Let's get it down. Let's see. I think it's grabbing a lot of liquidity around this trend line. So waiting for a buy. I, no, I have one trade, 140.50. You have a buy? He's gonna break that 40.60. You think? You think? It has already flipped. I think it grabbed liquidity, just exactly what I explained to you. Exactly what I explained to you. So if I was a trader and I want to trade this channel, what I would do? Obviously here I'm gonna put what is it called? Like long position. So I would be very careful. I would put my stop loss just around this week over here. So what price does? Comes down, hunt the liquidity, boom, gets some fuel and goes in the other direction. Um, it usually always comes down to hunt these around trend lines. Are you in? No, no, no. What chart is this? What? What chart is this? This is a gold. I think now it looks like it's gonna break it. How can it consolidate for so long here? Trump coin. What is your question? Fake move. Yes, a lot of fake moves here. A lot of fake moves. It's making very beautiful rejections on the 1 hour chart. Very beautiful rejections, even on the 15 minute if you wish. It's beautiful. I like them. 66 good scalp. Oh yeah, could do. Wow, look at this. Boom. A lot of scalpers here. A lot of scalpers taking these small rides. Wow. Anyone scalped this? Yes, I'm in there. Great. In 5 seconds, yes. Nice, AP. Hi, everyone. Hi, reality. Marwan, thank you. Then stops again on 65. But I was just holding my heart. Yes, I did that scalping. Great. Yes, all you can do here is on your own, just do quick scalps. Other than that, I don't see anything much. Can I get any support here? Yes, what kind of support? Get it down. I lost my account. How? Boring. Very boring here. Very boring. Last week was bad. Yes, I had a few stop losses hit last week as well. But luckily, I had. He's asking for support. Luckily, we had a few good trades, especially on Friday. That saved me. Saved me. Saved me. Like, we made 300 pips on Friday. That saved me. Do you grove clubbing? Well, coming. The way, coming. Do you trade on news? Yes. Sometimes. Sometimes I do. What are you trading? This is gold. Gold, gold, gold. Whoever has not joined the group, please make sure that you join us. Join us, join us. Link is in my bio. Click on my bio and join in. Click on my bio. Trading couscous. Link is in my bio. Click and join. Click and join. Where is your coffee today? I'm gonna go and grab. I'm going to go and grab one right now. Why in 20 minutes, Mika? Why in 20 minutes? Why? عليكم السلام حبيب. صباح النور. مرحبتين. I think we should call it I mean, not call it a day, but maybe take a break, do something until the market takes its direction. What do you think? If I catch anything, we'll drop it in the VIP. We'll drop it in the VIP. My VIP is free. Just works with affiliation. I will keep my eyes on the charts, and if I see a signal, I'm going to drop it there. I'm going to drop it there. There is no point, like we've stayed here for how long now? Let's take a break. I'm gonna make another cup of coffee and we come back maybe in an hour or two, or as soon as we are out of this range. Anything I catch in the meantime, because obviously I'm also going to keep my eyes on the charts, I will drop it in the VIP and we take it from there. See you guys. See you in a bit. Where is your FIP? From Don't Be Late. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Don't be late. Khaled. Did you enter by? No, I didn't enter by. So join me from the link in my bio, okay? And if you're interested in VIP, just drop VIP. Just drop me a message VIP. And we're gonna get all the requests in. See, now it's starting to do something. Let's see. Let's see. Up, up, up. Seems like Alexis is scalping here. Seems like Alexis is scalping this channel. I'm singing your song. Is your fib from 40 30 to 40 75 40 30 to 40 40 30? From 40 75 to 40 38. Yes. Is it like is it like this during month end? I don't think it's month end. I think it's just London session after news on the weekend. After we have a pretty volatile week ahead. I think it's normal. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here and then I would see you shortly. Any signal will be in the VIP. I'll keep my eyes on the charts. See you guys. I didn't sleep last night. AP, come back later. I didn't sleep last night, waited for 90, for 80. Okay, nice. Like Mika. I think Mika grabbed 76. Sarah, can I tell you something? Sure, tell me. Tell me before I go. Tell me before I go. See? Grabbing. Oh la la. Now something is happening. Or just a quick liquidity grab. Oh la la. Oh la la. We broke it. We broke it. Big fight, yes, very big fight here on both sides. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if this candle turns green. If this candle turns green now. But we had a good rejection here on the Okay, this is no longer valid here. Let's remove it. No buys yet. No buys though. Don't buy here. No, no, no. No. We have to see. We have to see. Pushing down for 10 more minutes. Where you get this info from, Mika? Hmm. From up above. Are we in? No, no, no. Not in yet. Not in yet. Not in yet. Finally, it broke that. It broke it. We broke it. I called it. Mika called it. Mika, get your live stream on. Get your get FIP 65. Yeah, it was a good one, yes. It was a good one. Oh la la. Oh la la. Should we jump in? No. I wouldn't jump in. No. And no buy. No, no, no. No buy. Someone started drilling. We might do a round trip, you know, boom, 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 like this. Strange, strange push down here. Is there news today? Not high impact news, really. What is happening? Thank you, Sarah. Kuna, you got that? Did you get that? Don't tell me you got that without me. Did you take that without me? They're drilling your resistance, their support. Yes, exactly. They're drilling my resistance and their support. I was just planning to take a break here. Just planning to take a break. 450. Nice big push here. How are you, Goofy? Down, down, down. Ah, what is this? Finally, finally, it broke the. There is not much volume really. Look, not much volume here. All good, all good. Thank you, Goofy. Did you have a good weekend in Mexico? The market, yes. The moment I say I'm going to do something, the market starts moving. Really. The moment I want to go, it doesn't let me go. Hey, I mean, we should bring our original cell zone. Our original cell zone, not the buy. Not the buy. No buys, no buys, no buys. You're now in California? Wow. Wow, it would have been easier for me to draw it. 1st of July. Control Z. Yes, I'm doing Control Z. But it would have been much easier for me to just draw it again. What am I doing? What am I doing? That was finally got it. Yeah, it took me ages. Shahji, hi. I'm not so smart, guys. That's it. Wow. Beautiful. Very beautiful here. Grabbing 60. Who was writing this? Like, there were people who got on 64. Anyone still on this? Did you took any entry? No, 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 I didn't take. We were just consolidating here and suddenly boom. Yes, you took it. Me, me. I'm in from 64. Yes, yes. No, me. Nice. I'm out in 9 minutes. Now waiting for the captain. Waiting for the captain. Okay, I think I'll stick to my decision to log off until something more interesting happens. Until something more interesting happens. Any updates, I'll drop them in the group. I'll drop them in the group. See you shortly.